Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Kajabi for online course sales, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Kajabi website. Log into your Kajabi account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the products section on the left sidebar. Click on Create Product to start setting up your online course. Choose the type of product you want to create by selecting Online Course. Fill in the course details, including the title, description, and cover image. After entering the information, click on Save. Next, move to the Curriculum section to outline your course content. Click on Add section to start creating modules for your course. For each module, add lessons by clicking Add Lesson. You can choose different lesson types, such as video, text, or quizzes. Upload your lesson materials by following the prompts. Once you've added all your content, review the curriculum to ensure everything is in order. Next, navigate to the Sales tab on the left sidebar. Click on Offers to create a new offer for your course. Enter the details of the offer, including price and payment options. Set the access level, such as whether it's a one-time payment or a subscription. After entering all details, click Save. Now, go to the website section in the sidebar. Select Landing Pages to create a sales page for your course. Choose a template that suits your branding. Customize the landing page by adding your course details. Include compelling features, testimonials, and a call to action button. Once you are satisfied with the design, save the changes. To promote your course, navigate to the Marketing section in the left sidebar. Set up email campaigns to inform your audience about your course launch. Link your sales page to these campaigns for easy access. Additionally, consider integrating social media by connecting your accounts. Finally, test your sales funnel by going through the entire process as a customer. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. Once everything looks good, you're ready to launch your online course on Kajabi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.